Welcome back to my channel, fellow backyard farmers. Today, I'll show you how I turned my small piece of land into a productive chicken farm. Many people say you need a large piece of land to start a poultry business, but that's not true. Even with a small lot, you can raise chickens as long as you know how to plan, design the coop, and manage the space properly. In this blog, I'll take you on a tour of my setup, from the chicken coop, feeding area, and all the way to the free-range space of my chickens. I'll also share some tips on feeding, maintenance, and daily care to keep your chickens healthy and active. You can also watch my other uploaded vlogs here on my YouTube channel. This video is perfect for beginners who want to start backyard or small-scale chicken farming. Whether it's for eggs, meat, or as a hobby, raising chickens can be fun, rewarding, and even profitable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more chicken farming tips, blogs, and updates about my journey as a backyard farmer.